Hello, you have done the right thing by choosing Max Life Smart Wealth Income Plan Early Income option. This plan will set you on a path of fulfilling your family's life goals with assurance of lifelong happiness. Now, let me help you understand the plan with an example. Meet Mr. Rohan Sharma, a 35-year-old businessman who has invested in the Max Life Smart Wealth Income Plan Early Income option, which offers guaranteed income benefit and cash bonus for him to have a steady stream of lifelong additional income. He pays rupees 1 lakh as annualized premium every year for 10 years. His policy term is 65 years. The plan will mature when Mr. Sharma is 100 years old. Mr. Rohan will start receiving his survival benefit as income from the end of the second policy year onwards. From the second policy year till the 26th policy year, he gets a regular yearly income comprising of guaranteed income benefit and cash bonuses. Mr. Rohan will continue to receive his survival benefit comprising of cash bonus from the 27th year till the end of the policy term as shown below. At maturity, Mr. Rohan will receive a guaranteed maturity benefit, that is sum assured on maturity of rupees 11,34,559, which is completely guaranteed, and a terminal bonus, if declared, of rupees 25,77,150 assumed at 4% returns, or a terminal bonus, if declared, of rupees 1,40,39,256 assumed at 8% returns. The policy matures when Rohan turns 100 years of age. In case of an unfortunate event of death of Mr. Sharma, his nominee will receive the death benefit equal to sum assured on death, which is rupees 11 lakh and is guaranteed, plus terminal bonus if any. Any accrued survival benefit, if not already paid, shall be paid in addition. The policy shall terminate on payment of the death benefit and no further benefits will be payable. Also, Mr. Sharma has 15 days to review the terms and conditions of the policy. In case he is not satisfied and decides to cancel, the policy will terminate. Mr. Sharma can take loans against this policy once his policy has acquired a surrender value. Loans will be available under this plan during the premium payment term, subject to a maximum of 50% of surrender value. The existing loan interest rate is 7.65% per annum, compounded annually. If Mr. Sharma wants to surrender his policy, he may walk up to our office and intimate our representative. The policy shall terminate, and if his policy has acquired a surrender value, the same shall be payable to him. Mr. Sharma also has access to the self-service options available on our website. Before you go, if you have any queries, we are committed to helping you at the earliest. Visit us at www.maxlifeinsurance.com. Chat with us. Write to us at service.helpdesk@maxlifeinsurance.com or call 1860-120-5577. We assure you we will be with you at every step of the journey and beyond.